If you've ever tried to read a PDF only to find half the pages are sideways or upside down, you know how frustrating it can be. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change page orientation in Adobe Acrobat, both for permanent page rotation and for printing only, so you'll never have to wrestle with a rotated document again. By the end of this video, you'll be able to fix pages that show up sideways or adjust the print settings so your reports and documents always come out looking professional. Let's jump right in. First, we'll talk about how to rotate pages for a permanent change. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. I'm using Acrobat Pro here, but the steps are very similar in Standard as well. Once your file is open, head up to the top menu and select Tools. Then find and click on Organize Pages. This brings up a thumbnail view showing each page in your document like tiles. Why do we use this? It's the easiest way to see exactly which pages need to be rotated. You can spot those oddballs right away. Now, select the pages you want to rotate. If you want to rotate one page, just click it. But if you're dealing with several pages, especially if they're all grouped together, you can hold down the Shift key and click the first and last pages in the range. This selects all pages in between, a super handy trick, kind of like selecting multiple photos in an album. If it's non-consecutive pages, you can just control-click each one, depending on your operating system. That little extra effort saves tons of time, especially with long documents. With your pages selected, look for two little icons. One rotates clockwise, the other counterclockwise. Click the one that matches how you want your pages oriented. Acrobat updates your preview instantly, so you can double-check you're going the right way. This step is your chance to fix any accidental rotations. Don't worry, you can reselect and re-rotate as much as you need to before committing. Once you're happy with the new orientation, remember, changes aren't saved yet. You'll want to go to File and hit Save. Acrobat will now permanently apply the rotation, which means anyone who opens the document from now on will see those pages the right way up. If you often share PDFs for work or school, this one step can save you and your recipients a ton of headaches. Now, maybe you don't need to change the actual PDF itself. You just want to print it differently, say, to fit on legal paper or make the graphs landscape. In that case, you can adjust orientation just for printing. Here's how. With your PDF open, go to File and select Print. This brings up the standard print dialog, and there's a section called Page Handling. By default, Acrobat tries to be clever and automatically rotates and centers your pages. For custom printing, though, you'll want to deselect Auto Rotate and Center. This puts you fully in control. Next, click the Page Setup button. Here, you'll get a couple of options. Choose either Portrait or Landscape, depending on your needs. Portrait is tall, like a novel, while Landscape is wide, more like a spreadsheet or photo. After you pick your orientation, just hit OK. Then confirm the rest of your print settings and click OK again to send it to the printer. If you've ever had a chart get chopped off the edge of the paper, this step is your lifesaver. And that's it. Whether you're fixing your original PDF or just tweaking a print job, you've now got the confidence and know-how to handle page orientation in Acrobat. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. And feel free to leave a comment if you have any tips or questions. I read everyone. For more straightforward guides like this, don't forget to subscribe and keep your workflow frustration-free. Thanks for watching.